Hello and welcome, coin lovers. Today we bring you the fascinating story of a coin that may only be worth 1 cent, but its history and potential value might surprise you. Yes, we're talking about the 1961 D. Lincoln 1-cent coin from the United States. Stay with us till the end of the video to learn why this coin is special, what it's worth today, and whether you might have one lying around too. This coin was minted in the year 1961 at the Denver Mint, which is indicated by the small letter D below the year. It's part of the famous Lincoln cent series, which began in 1909 and continues even today. The coin weighs approximately 3.11 grams, and it's composed of 95% copper and 5% zinc. It's a classic piece of American numismatic history. On the front side of the coin, known as the obverse, you'll see the iconic portrait of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States. At the top, it reads, "In God We Trust." On the left side, "Liberty." On the right, the year 1961, with the small d below it indicating the Denver Mint. On the reverse side of the coin, at the top, United States of America. At the center, the Lincoln Memorial. Right below the memorial, 1 cent. Above the memorial, the Latin phrase e pluribus unum, which means out of many, one. If you look closely inside the memorial, you'll see a tiny depiction of Lincoln's statue, a very detailed touch for such a small coin. Over 1.75 billion of these coins were minted in 1961, which makes them very common. However, certain variations of the coin can be rare and valuable. For example, coins with mint errors or imperfect, uncirculated condition mint state are highly sought after by collectors. These may include misprints, off-center strikes, or doubling errors. So, how much is the 1961D Lincoln cent worth today? In circulated condition, it usually sells for just a few cents, maybe 5 to 20 cents, depending on the market. But in mint state MS60 to MS67 condition, prices can jump from $1 to over $10 or even $50. And if it's a rare error coin, it could fetch anywhere from $100 to $1,000 plus, depending on the grade and demand. If you're a coin collector or planning to start, the 1961D is a great coin to add to your collection. It's affordable and widely available, but rare high-grade versions or errors can be worth a lot. Always store your coins in protective cases to preserve their condition. For accurate value, consider professional grading from companies like PCGS or NGC. So friends, that was the full story of the 1961D Lincoln 1-cent coin. Do you have this coin in your collection? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more exciting coin stories and historical insights. See you in the next video.